Alam mo, love never fails eh. For example, a person keeps on loving you no matter what you do, no matter what kind of mistakes you repeatedly do, the person still loves you. Pero pwedeng ikaw, hindi mo mapaniwalaan o hindi mo matanggap yung love na yon, or it's never enough for you. So the person actually that's loving you wants you to love back actually, pero hindi mo maibigay kasi ang tingin mo, his love or her love is not enough. It's not enough if we keep on focusing on ourselves kasi if we focus on ourselves, insatiable yung need natin for acceptance. Pero if we focus on the person who keeps on loving us, we will see that he's trying his best and no matter what we do, he keeps on loving us. Love never fails, no? That person who loves you never fails. Pero yung person na hindi makatanggap, he actually failed because that love can change him eh. That love can make him love back. Ganon si Lord sa atin. He keeps on loving us. And even if we don't respond, even if we commit many mistakes or turn away from Him, He still loves us. Pero yung response natin, hindi niya kayang kontrolin yon kasi we have a free will. He will keep on loving us. Pero decision natin yon if we will respond back and be with Him and walk with Him, or tatalikod tayo in spite of the love that He keeps on pouring on us. Nasa atin yon. So ganun din sa tao. Love never fails. It's the person who fails to receive love that has failed.